In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the hood support on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located under the hood. Let's get started. Using a small pick, we're going to get under this locking tab and pull it up. We're going to go do the same thing on the bottom. Once you have both of these clips popped out, you're going to put a hand on the hood and you're going to push up towards the sky. As you do that, you're going to pop this bottom piece off, but keep your hand on the hood because we now have nothing supporting it. Pull the top piece straight off as well. Grab your new assembly, push it straight on, and it'll clip into place. Go repeat the same thing on the bottom. Clip the bottom on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.